Hiya, thanks for popping in today. My name's Kay from Papercraft Skies and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. And today I've just got this really gorgeous hot pink card today with butterflies on. I'm just going to show you how I put this one together. So the colours that we're going to use today is this Magenta Madness. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous hot pink. And for the first layer we're going to need a piece of paper that measures 9 centimetres by 13.25, and the stamp set we're going to be using is the Butterfly Wishes. We're going to be using this butterfly, and the Birthday Wishes, and also this long branch. So let's get started. So I'm just going to ink up the long branch first, and I'm just going to stamp off with that first just to get some of that ink out. And here we go again with the wobbly camera, I'm so sorry. And then I'm just going to stamp that straight onto the edge. Gorgeous. And while we've got the ink out, I'm going to stamp the sentiment as well on the corner. This I'm just going to stamp straight on, trying to get it as straight as I can. That's that one. And then we're going to stamp the butterflies out on some scrap piece of Whisper White cardstock. So we're going to need one large one, and 2 of the small ones. And then to punch those out, I've got the butterfly punch. I love this punch and I've used it lots. So we're going to cut these just out from the card. And then the big one. Trying to get it lined up. And that's that one. Oh, there we go. And then to make these a little bit fluttery, I'm going to put some Winker Stella on those just to make them sparkle. So just on all the wings, on all the images. That one, and then this is so good, Winker Stella. It's the clear one, and it just, I don't know if you can be able to see it properly, but let's try and have a look. Don't know if you can actually, don't know if it's picking it up on the wings. Gorgeous. So while they're just drying off a little bit, I'm going to get a piece of the Magenta Madness in, which measures 10 centimetres by 14.25, and I'm just going to layer that one onto there. Some blue. So I'm just going to pop that one on. That is going to go just there in the middle, making sure we've got an even border all the way around. And then the butterflies, I'm just going to bend them in the middle, and I'm just going to put, I think I'm going to put a glue dot on these just on the middle part so that the wings still lift off the page. So one there, and then just randomly stick them onto the card. Just blending again, just bending up the wings. one. And then I'm just going to highlight the centres of the flowers with some matching dots, enamel dots. I'm just going to use a couple of the pink ones. These are part of all the in colours that are new this year. So you've got Magenta Madness, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Cinnamon Cider and Bumblebee. And this is my second pack of these. Just keep using them on everything. They're lovely. So just in the centre of that one. And I think just in the centre of that one. Then we're just going to get a card base. Just going to burnish that score line just so we get a nice crisp fold. And then I'm just going to attach that one to the front. Here's that one. And that is my very quick butterfly card. As I say, using the butterfly wishes and the butterfly punch. Hope you enjoyed it today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm sorry about the bouncy camera. I'm trying to get better at it. If you do need a catalogue or don't have a demonstrator and would like to, you know, start thinking about making your own cards, don't hesitate to get in contact and I'll be happy to send you out a catalogue. Thanks a lot for popping in. Speak soon. Bye.